Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Suzuki GSX R600 Supersport. This one owner 600 liquid cooled fuel injected Supersport just came here with only 16,845 miles. Beautiful condition. Really stands tall. Beautiful white and blue racing livery with the blue wheels. It's got a smoked windscreen, frame sliders, fender eliminator kit. This bike is in beautiful condition. Brand new chain. Come by, make your Supersport dreams come true for just $43.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.